Hello BeeBusinessBee fans, and welcome to a special BeeBusinessBee vlog where I'm going to tackle one of the questions that I seem to get asked the most, and it's by people asking, what do I like to get up to when I'm not in the hive in my spare time? Well, answer to that question is I enjoy being fit and active in the outdoors, and one of my hobbies is cycling. So I thought what I'd do is I'll make you a vlog today as I'm actually out and about on the bike. Currently next to the canal, as you can see in the background there. Done some trails and now just making my way back into the city centre and onto my way back home. However, for those of you interested in bikes, I have a Diamondback, hardtail, and I do enjoy road cycling as well as a bit of mountain biking. Now, I know what you're thinking, well, what else do you like doing apart from cycling? And the answer is, most sports, anything fit and active, you'll find that I tend to have a go at. I enjoy my walking, I like a bit of running, even like a bit of swimming. So triathlons, things like that, things that I enjoy doing. Also play a bit of football, nothing special. The odd game of golf in the summer when the weather's nice. And I've even done some water sports such as paddleboarding, for example, as well as playing a bit of badminton and squash. Not too bad at those two, but nothing special. And that's really what I get up to when I'm not in the hive. I like to try and keep myself fit and active. Well, you couldn't expect me to make you a BeeBusinessBee vlog without trying to link in some form of business. And I thought about this and I thought, how can I link in some form of business? And I thought, well, think about seasonality and peak seasons. Think about the Tour de France when Bradley Wiggins won and Chris Froome won. That sent the bike industry soaring. Sales soared of bikes, people wanted to get out and about. It was peak season. As a result of the increase in demand and the same level of supply, prices increased. The bikes, you tended to find that everybody wanted a piece of the cake. Now it's a great industry to look at as well, because even though you might think that many bikes are sold online and you saw lots of online retailers, you also saw lots of small independent bike shops set up, because when you purchase a bike, yes, you might buy it new, but a lot of people wanted their bike serviced, and that created an increased repeat custom. So what you've now got is lots and lots of independent bike shops knocking around in areas and towns and cities like where I am, where people take their bike to be serviced, but they may not have even bought their bike from there. So you've got like the bricks and clicks model. It's a really good example of how online sales and physical sales can be combined and how they work together. And the cycling market has been one of the real big boom points in the UK, and it's living proof that sometimes things like sport and sporting events can have a massive impact on business and really increase your sales. And I think on that point I'll finish there. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my ride. I'm going to see some mallards and obviously go and feed a few ducks later. And obviously on that note I'm going to say enjoy your day. Remember, keep buzzing.